Harvard psychologist noticed something weird. When people talk about AI, the most common question isn't, will I lose my job? It's, where do I fit now? But here's the thing, you're not actually afraid of AI replacing your skills. Your brain is afraid of losing you, your identity, your purpose, the thing that makes you, you. Neuroscience has a name for this. They call it fixed mindset mode. And once you understand how it works, everything changes. But first, you need to see what's really happening in your brain. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 ChatGPT prompts that turn any goal into a system that actually sticks. You can copy, paste, and use them in like 10 minutes. By the end, you'll have your own system, one that keeps working even on your worst days. But before we jump into the prompts, let me show you why most people can't stick with any system in the first place. Look, I'm not here to sell you anything. I just want to share what actually worked for me. I realized my AI anxiety was just the fear that my unique skills could disappear. When I finally understood that, things started to shift. Think about it. The fear that you're not good enough to keep up. The fear that AI will move too fast and leave you behind. And the biggest fear of all, if everyone can use AI, then what makes you special? So what do we do? Chase more tools, better prompts, more automation. But here's the trap. Every shortcut you take can make you feel more disconnected from your own growth. You're not lazy. You're just using a system that depends on motivation instead of momentum. And that is why, no matter how advanced AI becomes, you still feel stuck. But here's the thing. There are 2 ways your brain can see the world. Fixed mindset says, I am what I am. If I fail, that's just me. Growth mindset says, I can learn, I can change. Mistakes just show me what to try next. And when you shift into that growth mindset, your brain stops seeing AI as a threat. It starts seeing it as a tool, a partner. And that's when you're ready. Ready to build a system that actually sticks because your brain's no longer fighting you. It's working with you. All right. So now your brain's ready. Let's get you those 5 prompts. Prompt 1 helps you figure out what's really blocking you. Prompt 2 builds a simple system that actually fits your life. Prompt 3 makes a backup plan for tired days. Prompt 4 gives you a gentle reminder you can repeat every morning. And prompt 5, it tracks everything so you can see your progress and keep improving. Let's start with the first one. First, I had ChatGPT act like a mindset coach. I just typed in my goal and asked it to help me figure out why I kept falling off track. It came back with 3 simple, non-judgmental questions. What's different about the days I do read? What's going on when I don't read? What would make daily reading feel easy? I answered honestly. And ChatGPT reflected back, it's not about willpower. You built your habit around perfect conditions. So when things weren't calm, you skipped it. Next, I got ChatGPT to help me build a super simple system. First, pick one anchor time, something you already do every day, like right after coffee. Then, put the book somewhere you can't miss it, right next to your coffee mug maybe. And finally, decide in advance. Tomorrow, I'll read just 1 page after coffee. Having those 3 steps removed all the should I, shouldn't I, it just became automatic. But what about bad days? I asked AI to shrink the whole system to a 5-minute reader mode. Basically, just open the book, read a page. If that's all you do, that's a win. No pressure to keep going. It's genuinely how I stayed on track during busy weeks, because showing up matters more than being perfect. The best part? ChatGPT helped me write a daily mantra I could repeat when I felt stuck. Even 1 page keeps my promise to myself. Small steps count when they're taken with care. I put it somewhere I see every morning, so I always remember consistency over perfection. Lastly, I asked ChatGPT to help me turn my system into something I could actually use. It gave me a quick tracker template I could set up in Notion or Todoist. Now I just open it each day, note how many pages I read, how I felt, and one honest sentence about the day. At the end of the week, I use the review prompt. What worked this week? And what can I simplify even more for next time? This helped me see my progress, celebrate small wins, and fix things fast if I got stuck. All these steps and prompts, super easy to copy. And they work for any habit or goal. Reading, study fitness, literally anything. In my opinion, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to help you learn smarter and grow. Think of AI like a vacuum cleaner. It doesn't replace the job of cleaning. It just makes cleaning faster and more effective. When you combine your own mindset with AI tools, you get a powerful team helping you make real progress. By the way, want the exact prompts from this video? They're free. Just click the link in the description. When you land on Gumroad, it says, pay what you want, but just type 0, click checkout, and hit download. No card needed. Grab the pack, try it, and let me know in the comments how it helps your learning. I believe that the real power of AI is not in what it can do for us, but in what it can enable us to do for ourselves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.